What's going on, Joyriders? Les and Bruno just rolled out. I don't know where they're going. I think I'm gonna try to get down to the track. It's kind of late. I just uploaded yesterday's video. I've been super swamped. The internet here is like really slow. Laura's out at Barefoot Landing, something. I don't know. She took the kids out to go do stuff with the kids, shopping and that sort of stuff. Bex is over at the track and she was picking up some footage of some people, you know, making some passes. Let's go see what we're gonna get into. There it goes. This thing's definitely gonna need to be washed tomorrow. It's bad. It just started pouring down like out of nowhere. I feel like I'm back in Florida. ShockerRacing dinner, right?
This is the real crew. Alright, be the first to see JD's video. And then I liked it. Make sure you do the same. Oh, hi, bud.
Was that cool?
Yeah.
So he's got a light bar up there. Look at his shift knob, babe. It's got like a police badge in it.
Yeah, look at the roof.
Car went down.
We just got food. Now we're gonna go back to the house and go mini golfing with everybody.
Logan's still in the car.
Little man just wants to go and sit in everybody's car and just, I guess, test them out. I guess he's just seeing which one he likes the best. I don't know. But if it was me, I would go with the Grabber Blue GT 500. 4-inch Cervini hood. Wow, that thing is massive. You look good in there, bud. I think we're gonna go to a meet, then go to putt-putt. That's what we're gonna do. Laura's gonna be so excited. Let's try not to spill this. Yep, I got Laura's Starbucks. Look at your hair, buddy.
It looks good.
Look at that. Got you all spiked up. So Laura's upset about yesterday's vlog. You want to tell them why? Isn't it so beautiful out here right now, babe? So beautiful out here. Like today's vlog is more of like a family, like kind of hanging out type thing, because tomorrow's vlog is the main show for Mustang week, so we're gonna be doing that. But today we're kind of relaxing. We've done so much car stuff this week, but we may roll over to this meet that's going on tonight, and then after that we're gonna go do putt-putt golf. I've never done putt-putt golf before. She got mad at me because I put a couple parts in the video of her that she did not want in the video. You're lucky I left the other part out.
Whatever.
What's up, Bruno?
I don't know, man. Putting your wife in a cage and making videos, that's pretty intense, man.
You guys do not put that in there. JD.
What?
What'd you say?
Found him. I don't know what he's
Well, I'm ready. Let's roll. I haven't transitioned to this vlog yet. Oh my gosh, let me tell you guys, that was the biggest pain in the... Anyways, putting a car seat in the back of that. Bruno went to the gas station, got back,
Wash the car too.
washed the car, and I was still messing with that. Because I know you are. I know you are. Don't even do anything stupid. What's up? What's going on? How you doing? What's your name? Tars. Photographer right there. Look at this. I'm gonna send it. Hell yeah, dude. Hey, well, I like the 5.0, man. This thing is badass. Favorite video?
Oh, when you had the girl grab the cheeseburger from the dashboard. That was a dope ass video.
Love this shirt, dude. Where'd you get that? Target?
What up, man?
What's going on? Are you gonna get pulled over when you pull out?
No.
Yes. No?
I'm a good boy.
You're a good boy?
It's the first time where I see blue lights inside your interior and it's not you getting pulled over.
Vlogging a vlog. I just stole your shot.
It's alright, I'm gonna sue your bitch ass now.
Oh shit. So now you guys don't need to watch Derek's video because you just saw it on mine.
Derek Brand Productions, and you know what? It's only proper to do this the right way. It's been a minute, dude. Last Mustang week, man.
We didn't even.
And we only lived 2 hours away from each other.
Comment below. Hey, me and Derek need to do a collab. We've been talking about what?
We need some ideas. That's why we need you guys. Like, obviously,
what would you guys like to see us do?
Comment down below.
Yeah.
No gay shit, guys. Come on.
No, nothing like that.
No music. I'm not a producer. No, he's Eminem and shit, but that's not gonna happen. It has to be car related. I got a 2-valve, boosted 2-valve now, so I mean you can have a little bit of fun with it. Not a GT500. It sure doesn't have 900 horsepower, but give us some ideas, guys, and we'll make it happen. But he has a Shelby GT500, 900
He's plugging me, but this will probably never be in his video.
Yeah, we were just saying on his channel, what kind of videos do you want to see us? Because we only live 2 hours apart.
What's up, dude? Hey, the burnouts were sick, man.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing?
You're not done.
Convention center.
We need to get that thing on. Oh, is it in the show?
I'm getting it out Saturday.
How many subscribers are you trying to get this kid to?
Dude, between you and I, we can get him to 1,000.
Let's do it. Stain Kid, probably one of the biggest fans. You guys probably remember him last year taking the photos of all the ShockerRacing guys.
Yeah, right.
So let's try to get him to 1,000 subscribers. Derek's plugging him. I'm plugging him. Let's see if we can do that. What's your YouTube channel?
Mustang Kid.
'Babe, what do you think? Can I get one? I already said if I get a Terminator, I want one super bad, and if I get one, it has to be Oxford white.
Yeah, it looks really good, the color.
Yes, the color, and I like how, is that black vinyl on the roof? Yes, it's a beautiful car, man, beautiful car. And he's got a nice set of CCWs on there. Only thing I would have done was CCW Classics, but he got them used.
One day, it'll get classics one day.
Right, but dude, this thing is beautiful, super clean. He drove all the way from PA, 9 hours. Give him a follow, Instagram right there. If you decide to get rid of it, you know where to find me, right?
I don't know if I'll get rid of it, to be honest.
You're not?
No.
Dude, these things suck. They're really bad. They're slow cars. They're not like reliable.
It's a money pit, I'll tell you that.
Oh, I already know that.
But as I said, it's taken so much of my money already. I don't think I could get rid of it. So
I know the feeling.
Stuck with it.
Stuck with it.
You said stuck with it. It's a beautiful car, man. I love it.
Yeah, thank you.
Take care. Two cops sitting right there. We're gonna go ahead and wrap up this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We basically got kicked out of that meet, didn't we? Cops pretty much just made everybody leave, and they gave everybody like 5 minutes. And after those 5 minutes, whoever was there was gonna be ticketed. I'm hoping either tomorrow, I'm hoping tomorrow that we don't have that issue. Anyways, wrapping this vlog up. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know there wasn't too much exciting stuff in this one, but I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.